Assalamualaikum from the Dhuni of Makhdoom Shah Baba and the Rafai Silsila. This is a Rafai Silsila which is actually Shasa Wali Rafais. They all have their Astana at Shasa Wali Dargah, Andheri East Marol. And every year during the Urus of Makhdoom Shah Baba and the Urus of Fakhruddin Shah Baba, Sarkar Ali Baba, the Murshid Pir, comes and is here for last. He will be here for last 10 days. And after this Urus gets over, he will go to Fakhruddin Shah Baba, and this is the way they have this Dargah circuit of Urus. Sarkar Ali Baba, I know him for many years. He's a fantastic human being and he loves me a lot. He's an amazing Baba because he never demands anything, never asks for anything. And most of the time he's helping a lot of poor people. And he's a man of his words. He doesn't speak much. There is no politics, nothing. And that is why when the Urus of Makhdoom Shah Baba starts, I leave everything and I come here to pay my homage to the saint and to this Sarkar Ali Baba. I have been coming to Makhdoom Shah Baba and documenting this Dargah for last 30 years, and I am thankful first of all to Saqib, the Khadim of Makhdoom Shah Baba, who is my dearest friend, and Firoz Rafai and Fahad Pathan. These were the people that brought me here to the Dargah, and I started documenting the Rafai Silsila both at Makhdoom Shah Baba and at Fakhruddin Shah Baba. You people should come and see this slide. This is a fire that is known as the Dhuni. This is the fire that is known as the Dhuni. And food, tea is not made here. The tea is fantastic. It is called butter tea. They make the tea and they add a lot of butter to it. And these Babas are amazing people. They are all great people. And I come here, I showcase their humility, I showcase their love for Elibeth, I showcase their love for Gauss Park, I showcase their love for Ali, I showcase their love for the Makhdoom Shah Baba. And this is the beauty of Sufism that touches human hearts. There is no hatred, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, everybody comes to the Dargah. And the saint says, come as any religion but go back as a good human being. This is the message of the Holy Saint. These are the greatest promoters of Islam, and this is a Islam where there is no bombs, nothing. This is a Islam of peace, love, hope, humanity and brotherhood. Thank you. I have been coming to this Dargah and I have been documenting Sufism, the Rafai Silsila, thanks to Saqib Mahini, my very dear friend. He is the one who brought me into this Sufism ring, and ever since that day, 30 years back, I have been documenting Sufism very strongly and promoting all the positivity to everyone. When you become a Sufi, you can be a Hindu, you can be a Christian, you can be anything. Sufism is not from outside, it is from inside. Sufism comes from within when you accept everybody's religion and you accept everyone's faith and give respect to it. What happens in Sufism is, you have a glass, it has water or milk. All you do is you add sweetness to it. When you add the sugar of Sufism, everything becomes beautiful. Saqib and I go a long way back, and every year I come, document, and Sarkar Ali Baba is an amazing Murshid, Pir, everything combined. He never asks for money, he will never ask for anything. Instead, he gives money to people, he gives hope to people, and this is the beauty of Rafai Silsila and coming to Makhdoom Shah Baba. Makhdoom Shah Baba is the brand ambassador of Mumbai. He is the greatest force of Mumbai. No? The greatest force. Because I say Mumbai, but all over Maharashtra, he is known as Kutbe Konkan. But all over Mumbai, everybody from every place, corner comes here to pay homage to the Holy Saint. And the Holy Saint, he provides. He accepts your floral tribute, he accepts your prayers, and he turns them into gifts to you. So this is the beauty, and this is what I am. And this is Baba kuch ek do lafz boliye zara. He's not been keeping well. That is why he's in a silent mode. Yeah, but he's a very good human being. He's a fakir, he says. And the meaning of fakir is they have no aspirations or money. They get money and they utilize it for the betterment of society. You will not see them wearing gold. You won't see them wearing suits with names embossed on it. There's no suit like that. They wear simple clothes and they live a simple life and they eat simple. So there is a lot of things to be learned from people like him. You don't have to convert to become a Muslim. All you have to do is convert your heart into goodness. Become good Indians. Become good Indians. Because that is the beauty of Islam. That you accept the country that you are living in. There can be no greater Islamic thought than this. And the Islam that does not criticize others, you know. We don't want to be like others. We have to accept everyone. This is my message from Makhdoom Shah Baba's Dargah. Salaam alaikum. Salaam alaikum. This is the Dhoni. This is the Dhoni of Munaf Baba. And this is, ये भाजी बन रही है on the Dhoni. Sarkar Ali Baba, my friend Saqib, and Malum Ali Baba, and Anas Baba. कितना टाइम लगेगा इसको बनने में?
आधा घंटा।
अच्छा,
आधा घंटा में तैयार है।
So this is Munaf Baba Bhandari. He makes all the food over here. And this is the Dhoni, the Babas and the followers and of the Baba. And this is Chirag Ali Baba, my oldest friend. His son is Shahrukh Ali Baba. And this is Khadim Ali Baba. Khidmat Ali Baba, okay. And this is life on the Dhoni at the back of the Dargah of Makhdoom Shah Baba. And Sarkar Ali Baba is a beautiful human being. Naraman.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auz billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Shabash aludam bi akram murtaja wa fajle panjata. Panjatan के 5 नारे, एक नारा हैदरी. तीर का दर कलंदर.
This was the Nara. और शराक अली बाबा कैसा है तुम? My friendship with Chirag Ali Baba goes many years back.
हमारा करम अली नारा मार रहा है। एक नंबर। जोड़ दे।
कदम अली इधर आ ले।
देखो सरकार अली को देखिए।
इधर
मारो जोर से।
ओ नकीब बादशाह मुन्ना भाई खोलिए ना उसको, खोलिए।
चलो भाई, ये टेबल चलो।
सलामुअलैकुम।
चलो भाई, चलो वाला तो पूछो बाबा को।
और नासिर भाई
के लिए माला वाला लाया करो यार, 8 साल।
ओ कौन है? कश्मीरी बाबा, कश्मीरी बाबा।
जय जय
यूट्यूब वाले कश्मीरी, यूट्यूब वाले कश्मीरी।
जस्ट होल्ड दिस ऐसे पकड़िए। My oldest friend is Kashmiri Baba. He's an amazing guy. I've known him for last 30 years, and he has been under various murshads, Sikandar Wali Baba, Handi Sai, Barsati Baba, Mashuk Ali Baba, and now Sarkar Ali Baba. This Baba, I have shot him in many places. I've shot him at Maghdum Shah Baba, Fakhruddin Shah Baba, Haji Malhag, Ajmer Sharif, and Ismail Shah Baba. He's a very simple guy. He's a very simple guy. Right. और बाबा तबीयत कैसा है तुम्हारा? ठीक है। और
क्या क्या वाजपेयी परवाह नहीं कर रहे, परवाह ड्यूटी नहीं बजा रहे। यही तो 10 दिन है।
गेम नहीं है मेरे पास, गेम नहीं है।
आप कहाँ से आ रहे हैं?
तुम भूल जाते मेरा भाई। नहीं हाँ अच्छा, अभी स्पीड करेंगे, मत करो यार भाई मेरे। नहीं अदब से सब कुछ मिलता है बड़े भाई। हाँ
आपका मोबाइल है, आपका पर्स है, आए घूमने के लिए, ज़ियारत करने के लिए आए, अपना मोबाइल हिफाजत में रखो, अपने बच्चों को भी देखो, इधर उधर झाकम झुकी ना करो तो मोबाइल भी जाएगा, पर्स भी जाएगा।
ताजा भाई अनस बाबा इधर है, अनस बाबा ये फिरोज शाकिर से मिलो, हमारे फिरोज भाई से।
कैसे आप?
अपना बोलूं?
हाँ बोलिए।
आपका मोबाइल है, आपका पर्स है, आपके प्यारे बच्चे, उसकी हिफाजत करो। ज़ियारत करने आए हो मखदूम साहब बाबा की दरगाह में, इधर उधर ना देखो, कांच के टुकड़े को ना देखो, नहीं तो तुम्हारे कांच के टुकड़े टूट जाएंगे। अपने मोबाइल, अपना पर्स हिफाजत में रखो, छोड़ और पॉकेट मारो से होशियार।
अब मैं जा रहा हूँ मस्जिद में, जरा मशीन रख दोगे?
अरे सुधीर सुधीर, वो तुम मार रहे क्या? चाबुक मार रहे? उसको बोलो, आप बोलो। ओ चाला कली, उसको चाबुक दो ना, दो ना अली। नहीं चाबुक, चाबुक चाहिए। So this is the Dhuni of the Rafai Silsila, and Sarkar Ali Baba is the Murshid. He is from Shansawali. Yeah, from here, when this Urus gets over, he will go to Fakhruddin Shah Baba, and then they all go on moving. That is known as the Dargah circuit, and finally they will go to Ajmer Sharif. Before that, they will go to Haji Malang Baba. Am I right? Yeah. And March, April, Ajmer Sharif.